In this video, I'm going to walk you through the necessary steps to update your NetSuite RESTLet script to a new version. When this message appears on your screen, your RESTLet script requires an update. And if you're not the admin of your NetSuite account, you'll need to contact your account admin to update the RESTLet. If you are the account admin, then you may continue and click Manage in Workspace. Here you'll be redirected to our NetSuite OAuth settings page, where you'll be prompted to download the new script and unzip the file. Once you've done so, select the checkbox and hit Next. Here you can open step-by-step instructions on how to update your RESTLet script, or you can continue watching this video and follow along with me as I show you the necessary steps. First, you'll need to log into your NetSuite account. And once you're logged in, select Customization, Scripting, Scripts, and New. Next to this box, you'll select this little plus, and you'll have this pop-up where you'll choose your file, make sure that it ends in .js. You'll name your file, and make sure that the file name also ends in .js. Select for company-wide usage, and then hit Save. Now you can create your script record, give a name to your script, and then in this toggle, select Save and Deploy. From here, you'll change the status to Released and the log level to Debug. Make sure you select all roles and all employees, and then hit Save. Now you can copy the external URL and go back to the NetSuite OAuth settings page, say that you've configured what you need to in NetSuite, and paste your new external URL. Hit Save, and once that's successful, you'll see that you have configured your OAuth successfully. Now you can navigate back to your spreadsheet, and you'll see that message is gone, and you can continue making your NetSuite imports as you were before. If you encounter any difficulties when updating your script, please reach out to our technical support team for further assistance. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thanks for watching.